Morning, welcome back to the channel. The clocks went back last night, so it's officially, I think, first day of winter. British summertime's ended. So the garage looks like a bomb's hit it in the workshop because I've been working outside all the time on the drive. So I need to have a tidy up, and then I'm going to get my Chinese diesel heater running, which is up there above that snap-on sign, if you can see. But we've left it all winter with the black diesel in it, or all summer, sorry, with the black diesel in it. So I'm going to take it all out, clean it all out, and I'm going to change the actual exhaust system on it, because I've had a lot of negative, real lot of negative messages regarding the exhaust system. So I bought an extended crank piece of exhaust that comes with them, and we're going to run it, and hopefully run it out of the top on the side instead of going to the front for now. And then when we've done that, up there on the other side, we're going to mount another one, so we've got one running on each side of the garage, and the exhaust can go straight outside. So you just have to leave it with me for a bit till I get that one down that's up there. We'll get it down, see how bad it is, swap it for the one behind me, battery's charged, and we'll get on with it. See you in a bit. So first thing, I'm going to take this sign down. So I'm going to need this space to put the second tank, I believe. That's that down. The first bit, I need to get these tie wraps off of here. This is what's holding it to that bracket at the top. I think that's all it is. I'll get those bits out. That's that. I think the screwdriver for that and that. And that one's off. Power. That's off. Fuel feed in. And exhaust. So screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and we'll have them two bits off. And it'll come away. So I'll pull the pipe off and it's dripping nicely with the black diesel mix. Exhaust is out, and it's down. I think there's a lot of oil in that. Right, I've got this other one, but I've got no fixing plate on it and no studs, so I've got to get them out. That's my next bit. So we'll try a 10mm spanner, get them undone. One. Two. I have got the other plate, but I don't know where the studs have gone for it. I found everything else for this other heater. It's just these bits I've not got. So I'll take it off and then double nut them and undo it when I've done that bit, when I've got this plate off. That's them four. I need need to get that off. Fuel line clamp off. That's gone somewhere, but we've got some spares. I don't want to come off, but it's got to, without breaking it. It's moving. That should be it, just about. That's it, that's off. Put that in there, save that. Then that off. I'll swap that rubber mat there, because that's stuck to that. That one can go back on there. We just need these studs out. So the way to do this, put that nut back on, that one on. Find another 10mm spanner. There we go, if we can. Another 10. Get the top one and the bottom one. Tighten them together. Right, one nut on top of the other, turn the bottom nut, and as it is doing, that is bringing the stud out. Finger tight, that'll do, that's one. We'll repeat that, get them all out, and put them in this machine. And we'll get this one built up, see if we can get it running. Stay with us. Right, that's the plate swapped over from that one onto that one, and put that on there where it goes. That one can go back on that one. Get it over there so we don't lose it. That's the gasket for that one. That's that one for this. We'll get the bolts in it, the nuts. Studs are screwed in, tightened in. So there's 4 of those. 1, 2. What have we done with the others? Right. 4. We'll just nip them down. Trusty 10mm spanner. Last one, 4th one. down with the fingers first. Let's nip it up. Now the next thing to look at is the plug. 8 connections. Has that got the same amount? Don't know. Looks like it. Might be one missing on that one. I'm not sure, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to put it on. I just want to connect it up and not fire it up. I want to get the oil out of that pump. There's some clean diesel coming through it, which is in there. So I want to put that into there. Pull some clean diesel through that pipe before it goes into this machine. So that's my next job. I'll get that on. No, I'm not getting no voltage. I've plugged it all in. I just rested it up there for the time being to try and get it running. But I've plugged it in. And it's come back to that. I've tested the battery. And the battery's got 13 volts in it. But it's not doing anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to plug the wiring in for that one, which I've got here. See if it makes a difference. Well, I've plugged the bits in for this machine and we're working. The pump connections are the same, so I've left the original pump in. We'll see if it's going to pump some diesel up. Just need the pump to start. It's not going to fire up obviously because there's no fuel to it. But see if I can empty that into that. I've got it here, so I'll just put that into there. So it comes out of one tank into another. Let's see how long it takes. Oh, pump's running. Yeah, you can see movement in that pipe. Something's running. Oh, we're coming down this pipe as well. We're into this pipe. Just need to get it down that pipe and into that, into there and get rid of it. I do expect this to cut off because it'll not fire up and we'll have to go through it all again. So now getting the old oil down that tube, which is forcing it that way. Hopefully it'll clean the pump. We've got the pump symbol. on the control panel telling us the pump's running. We'll just see how long it runs at that for. As I say, I've got no exhaust there. Length of no exhaust, so I'm going to take it from there, where it is, across here, and I think, and straight out up there, up in that corner, just on a small. But that piece there is not long enough, so I could go straight out there, and then we'll get that one working again, and we'll do something over there, in that corner up there, the same, and then we'll have these two direction pipes that bring the hot air out, one into the middle there, one into the middle over there, and that should run us this winter. Right, let's turn the pump off, so we're going to have to go through it again. I think the easiest thing is disconnect the power from it and start it again. Don't know if you'd do that, but I just have done, so we'll have to see. We just need, in this corner here, the green fuel pump symbol to come on. That is right in the bottom of there. I think we will end up fetching some diesel for this. So I don't think there's a right lot left. Oh, there is. Oh, there's quite a bit in there. If I stand that up like that. We may have to hold it into that bit to the bottom. But we've not got a pump sign on yet. Oh, there we go. If you can hear that. Pump's ticking again. The fluid is travelling up that pipe, if you can see that bit. It's forcing it down this pipe, look. This pipe looks pretty full, so it should start coming out of there and into the green pipe shortly. Yep, it's coming. It's pretty black coming out of the pump, so it will give it a clean. Pushing it. pump's still running. I'm still running on there. I suppose it would have been easy to change the pipes and change the pump to the one that come with this machine. That would have got rid of all the oil, but it would have still needed cleaning out. That's the pump off again. We'll give the pump and everything else a rest. Right, this time we're going to try and fire it up. But first of all, get some doors open. Some ventilation in, and don't stay in too long. A little bit of heat coming. That pipe looks clear, like it's got rid of the oil. So, hopefully, that should help clear it out. Be back with you in a minute. Just going to try something different. Right, the wires are in-ish. The heater's up there, but it's not fastened down. Haven't changed the exhaust yet. We'll give it a trial run. That's the old one. And we'll see what happens. So if we press the on-off button, I think that does it on this one. On. Fan's running. Just need to see the fuel pump symbol, listen for it clicking. The glow plug's heating up, so we'll see if it actually works. This is the first run since probably April this year. Just got to tidy those wires up, clip them all up behind that beam, and then make a bracket to put the other tank on, which is going to go somewhere there. And pipe that one into a T-piece that'll be there, hopefully, and then another one there, and then we might have to move that a little bit, and then we'll have an inline fuel filter with it, and see how it happens. We just need fuel pump to click. Oh, there you go. Pump's clicking. Fuel should be coming up that pipe. which I can see it is. We're actually running red diesel in this, what we've got left, which is sold at a few places as heating oil near us. Farmers can still use it as long as they don't go off of their own premises, I do believe, and don't go onto a main road. So some of the machinery that's in the farmyard will still be on this stuff, I believe. I won't take it as gospel, but I want to change that exhaust. I've not bolted it on. I just want to see if this runs. Got the doors open, got some ventilation, and there's a big hole in the back wall in that back corner, so we've got some air running through. And what's happening? I just want to feel it get warm. You can hear the burn chamber now. Trying to scan with this scanner. I don't know if it's coming. It says -1. That will tell you that it's working. So I think, folks, we've got to run it. I'm not going to run it too long because of this exhaust system into this workshop. But thanks for watching. Give us a like and a subscribe. And the next time, later this week, we'll have another tank on, the exhaust changed, and we'll be ready for winter. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.